Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into this. So these are the two lashes that I actually bought off Amazon, and I'm trying to figure out which ones to use. This one has 12, 11, 10, 9, and 8 millimeters, and they are 10 roots, 20 roots. I think these are a D curl. If I'm not mistaken, they were a D curl. And then these ones, it was actually a whole like lash set. It has tweezers and the glue, and it comes with 12 millimeters, 10 millimeters, and 8 millimeters. And then it has down there 14 millimeters and 12 millimeters. So it comes with those ones. I think these ones are going to be like more dramatic, and these ones are going to be more softer. I might try these ones because I do want to try this glue that I actually purchased as well. It is the Linx Latex-Free Cluster Lash Adhesive, and this one's supposed to be really good. I've been using the clayless, but this one's like another one that's really, really popular on Amazon, and they're almost always sold out. So when I seen that they had it, I did buy it. So I'm going to try this one out today. My throat's itchy. I haven't done my hair or anything. I'm going to be doing a hair extension review later, so I have not done my hair today, so that's why I'm looking so fantastic. And I haven't put on any makeup because I like my lashes to be really clean when I do apply lashes so that they last longer. I use a oil-free face wash, and then I just make sure they're really dry before I start applying my lashes. Okay, so I went ahead and did this eye off camera just so I can kind of get the feel of what I need to do on this side, and you can see the difference. These are super pretty, like super pretty. Okay, so what I did was I got the Linx glue, which by the way, I love the packaging on this, super cute. And then I just apply some to the very outer corner. I'm gonna start with the 12 millimeters. I'm actually using these tweezers because I did start out by using the Kiss, and I was just having issues applying them. So I did go and find my tweezers. So you just grab the 12 millimeter, situate it to where you can actually apply it easy, make sure it's straight. Now these are a D curl, or they may be a J. They're like super, super curly. I'll have to look to see which ones I bought for sure. But because they're so curly, they're a lot harder to apply, but they are worth the time once you get them on. Just like that. The outer one's always kind of hard to apply, just the way it's angled. But it is on. Okay. Now I'm going to go with another number 12. Just grab from the top and pull down, and it comes right off. So then you just look down. Okay. I'm going to get another 12. Just keep doing the same thing. These are probably the hardest one I've ever applied, but it's because they are like literally curled straight up pretty much. Now I'm going to start with the 11 millimeters. Which is the third row down. So down on this one. Just like that. I am putting a little glue when I put it on. I put it at the very tip just to give it a little more adhesive so that it lasts a lot longer, because I can get my lashes to last about 2 weeks. And that's the goal. And I'm going to get a little more of the adhesive. I'm just going to put it through here. Just so that it's like really well coated. And I'm going to get another 11. And another 11. Yeah, one more 11, probably. Let's say, we'll see. So I am doing one more 11 just because the 9 and 8s are like really, really small. Okay, and now I will start with the 9s, which are these right here. Just pull them out. I'm going to do one more 9, and then I'm going to do the 8. And now I'm doing the last but not least, the number 8. And that is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and flip this mirror around so you can see. And if you want to, you can stack. I'm actually going to put one right here on the outer corner just to kind of make it flare. And I'm just going to get one of the 12, the longest one. And you can always do this. You just go back in. If you need to add another one, you can stack them. Just going to stack it right there. Okay, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of show you guys what it looks like. Let me go ahead and get my mirror so that I can show you guys a close up. So these are super pretty. I like the length. I like the fullness of these. As you guys can see, like you cannot tell that I'm wearing false lashes. They look super, super natural. They're super full and I love these. These are a really good buy. I think these were like $12. I will link where you can purchase these down in the description box below, along with the glue and these applicators, if you guys want to see that, because it really does make a difference. Like I had started out using these and I was having issues using those. Like you can still use them, but it was a little hard. This lash is kind of lifting. I didn't push it good enough. But yes, overall I'm super satisfied. If you wanted to make them look more fluffy, you can stack them. As you can see, that's one application. This thing retails for $12, and I have probably another 3 to 4 applications with these. Super pretty, and I use the more dramatic, like the thicker ones. They do have a more lighter set up here that's not as dark as these ones, so I will also be reviewing those later on my channel. And like I said, I will be reviewing this. I probably won't use the glue just because I'm not big on like just regular lash glue. I like to use one that I know is gonna hold my lashes on for a long time, because I mean, I want them to last as long as possible. So I'm going to put on my makeup real quick, and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like with my makeup and everything done. Okay, so this is what my lashes look like with my makeup done. Super, super pretty. See, just really pretty. I didn't have to do anything to my eyes. They do get a little dirty when you do put on eyeshadow, but what I do is I get a Q-tip and I get the water, the cleansing waters, and I just grab my eyes, I get the Q-tip and I just rub it on top, and it cleans it off, and my lashes do not come off. Like, you can't soak them, but you can clean them gently and it's fine. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, God bless.